Hi, my name is Rhonda, and I'm an assistant in the Adult and Web Services Department at the Noel Wien Library. I'd like to introduce you to our new website and show you where some of the most popular items are now located, as well as introduce you to a few you might not have known about. If you go to our website, fnsblibrary.org, you'll see our new homepage. Isn't it beautiful? If you look at the bottom of the picture, you'll see 6 navigation buttons. These are for our most popular and frequently used services. The feature we've been asked about most since our website redesign is how to log into your account. The fastest way to access our catalog and to log into your account is to click on the second of these 6 buttons, which you can see me circling with my arrow. If you click on that button, you'll be taken to our catalog, and you'll see the login link at the top of the screen once it loads, which I'm indicating with my arrow. Logging in with your library card and PIN will allow you to place items on hold, manage checkouts, and create lists of items you'd like to check out. If we return to the home page, we'll take a look at the other 5 buttons. The first, Get a Library Card, is pretty self-explanatory. We've already covered the Catalog and Account Login button. Next is the Download eBooks button, which will give you more information about our ebook collection and how to access it. Next is the Locations button, which will give you hours and location information for each of our branches. The Curbside button is next, and it details how curbside service is being conducted in our current COVID-19 pandemic. The last button is Fetch. This service used to be known as our personal shopper and specific item requests. You can request specific items from our collection or have a librarian shop the collection for you, and then you pick up your items at curbside when they're ready. Now let's look at our top menus. Hover over Books and eLibrary to see the menu. The first link is for our catalog and account sign-in, which is the same as the button we saw earlier. In the second column, there are links for 3 of our reader services, Select Reads, Author Check, and New Book Alert. These services notify you by email when books that meet your interest are added to our collection and can help you find hidden treasures you might not have already known about. The last column has links for our e-materials, audiobooks, ebooks, research and discovery, and magazines and media. You can learn more about each of those by clicking on their links. The next menu is Children and Teens. It has a page for the Berry Room and one for young adults. After that is our Services menu, where many of our most requested features are located. In the first column, there are links for your library card and Fetch, as well as grab-and-go book sets, which are available for children and young adults. The second column has a link to schedule a computer session appointment, to learn about our curbside service, and information about our computers and their use. The third column has a link for Book a Librarian. This is a service to help patrons with research or technology to access library materials. These sessions can be scheduled by phone or over Zoom. There's information on our current print, fax, and copy service and our bookmobile services as well. The fourth menu is Learning. Here you can access more than 80 databases in wide-ranging subjects. Each database has an explanation for why you should use it and what features are included. There are also links here for learning from several of our providers, including lynda.com, Learning Express Library, tutor.com with live homework help, and Pronunciator. The last feature under Learning is our LibGuides. LibGuides are subject guides put together by librarians and assistants that go in depth to help you access related library and electronic materials. There are how-to guides and subjects from aviation to poetry to travel from home. The last menu is Your Libraries. Here you can find more information about our libraries, our community partners, our locations and hours, our policies and procedures, and finally, our contact information. If you click the purple Show Me tab on the right side of your screen, you'll see tutorials for using our library databases, electronic materials, social media, and internet basics. There are also tutorials for the Microsoft Office suite of products, Research Essentials, and Windows Basics. If you scroll down the home page, you'll see our new book carousel. Clicking on any of the titles there will bring up more information about that book. Beneath that are our news flashes. Here we'll keep you up to date with announcements, services, and programming at our libraries. Keep scrolling, and you'll find our news and events. Our Facebook feed is on the left side, and our interactive calendar is on the right. We hope that you'll enjoy our new website. If you have any questions about how to use it, please call the reference desk at 907-459-1046 during our business hours, and we'll be happy to help you. Have fun exploring.